Big breaking news coming in now. The Indian Medical Association has gone to war against India's top yoga guru, Baba Ramdev. The Indian Medical Association, which is a body of all doctors in the country, has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Ramdev's controversial recent statements against allopathic doctors. The IMA has appealed to the Prime Minister to intervene and take action against the yoga guru under India's sedition laws. You heard that right, ladies and gentlemen. The IMA, the Indian Medical Association, wants charges of sedition to be slapped on yoga guru Baba Ramdev. The Indian Medical Association, in its letter, which India Today has a copy of, and I'll show you the salient bits of it in a moment, they've said in that letter that Ramdev's recent statements, where he says that doctors are dying despite taking 2 doses of vaccines, is leading to hindrance in India's vaccination drive, which Prime Minister Modi himself has been trying his level best to amplify and push. The IMA has further said that we are following protocols by the government and that Ramdev's statements are an attempt to question health ministry protocols. The IMA has therefore requested that an effort be made to put him in his place, since he is making an effort to ridicule and call the system stupid. This is the Indian Medical Association, which is extremely angry and has now declared war on celebrity yoga guru Ramdev, the proprietor of Patanjali and one of the world's best known yoga proponents. Has now been declared war upon by the Indian Medical Association, which is also a very powerful body. Journalist breaking the story is Sneha Murdani, our deputy editor. Sneha, this is big. You know, Baba Ramdev is huge, global celebrity, very, very powerful and influential figure. The Indian Medical Association is no less. It is a big organization, a big body of Indian doctors. They've done basically, what they've done today is declare war on him.
Absolutely. And I think they also derive a lot of confidence from the fact shift that just about 2 days ago, Dr. Harshvardhan wrote a stinging letter to Ramdev saying that I've also spoken to you over the telephone on this matter. You have to take your statements back, given the fact that yoga guru Ramdev has got a huge following and has been saying that doctors are dying in spite of 2 doses of the vaccine. Obviously seems to suggest that the vaccine doesn't work. Imagine the kind of effect that's going to have on those people who are already fearful of taking the vaccine, and it's going to fuel vaccine hesitancy, which is, remember, at an all-time high in rural India, where Ramdev has got a huge following, especially in northern India. And I think that's where the IMA has got its confidence from, because this, war with allopathic doctors continue. This IMA is the same body that puts out figures, gives us these figures every single day about the number of doctors dying in the country in the second wave. It's more than 500 right now. IMA is only actually counting a little over 3 lakh doctors. There are 12 lakh more, so more people are dying. More doctors are dying. IMA has tried to underscore this as well. The government wouldn't want to be seen in a position where there are visuals of Dr. Harshvardhan promoting coronal kit that is, of course, been churned out by Ramdev's Patanjali, manufacturing unit in Uttarakhand, and also not be seen siding with the doctors, many of whom are losing their lives. And also remember, COVID-19 hospitals do not have doctors who are from Ayurveda. These are allopathic doctors, and I think that's what the government also tried to do, essentially, to drive home the point. It's hit a very raw nerve with the Indian Medical Association and doctors all across the country. I'm going to ask you a deeper question, Sneha, in just a moment. But before that, I want to remind our viewers the comments that were made by Baba Ramdev that has made the Indian Medical Association and many people even beyond the medical profession really, really angry and upset. The Indian Medical Association of Uttarakhand, before this, has served a defamation notice of 1,000 crore rupees earlier today to yoga guru Baba Ramdev. In its statement, the IMA has demanded a written apology from Baba Ramdev within 15 days. The notice has asked Ramdev to make a video clip contradicting all his allegations against allopathic doctors and post that on his hugely popular social media platforms, including YouTube. The IMA said that it will demand compensation of 1,000 crore from the yoga guru. He's worth far more than that, of course, if he fails to comply. Earlier,
a video went viral on social media. This is the heart of this entire controversy, ladies and gentlemen. In case you missed it, listen very carefully. These are the comments that were made by Yoga Guru Ramdev that has sparked this entire controversy. Take a look at what he said.
तीसरा बोला मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, टर 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 करते रहते। 1000 डॉक्टर तो अभी कोरोना की डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद मर गए। कल क्या समाचार है? कितने? 1000 डॉक्टर डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद भी मर गए। अपने आप को ही नहीं बचा पाई, वो कैसी डॉक्टरी? तो मैंने कहा डॉक्टर बनना है तो स्वामी रामदेव जैसा बन, जिसके पास में कोई डिग्री नहीं और सबका डॉक्टर है। Without any degree, with divinity, with dignity, I am a doctor.
I have with us Dr. J.A. Jailal of the Indian Medical Association, who's with me on the phone line. Dr. Jailal, we've just, read the letter that the IMA, your organization, has written to the Prime Minister asking for sedition charges, to be slapped on Baba Ramdev. Take us through why you believe that sedition charges should be slapped on the Yoga Guru, Dr. Jailal.
Yeah, Indian Medical Association wants at this moment this controversy to be stopped forever. And here we are not fighting for any system of medicine which is to be glorified. The task in front of us is the dying people with the COVID and the critical care people where we are working from the front line. So we have returned to the Prime Minister to stop this misinformation. And we believe that only option in front of us for is to propagate the vaccination. But the charges of Ramdev is always against the vaccination, and it is making the vaccine hesitancies to more. And that will definitely result in the people more getting suffering and more critical care people are coming. And he is calling our modern medicine as a stupid medicine. We are not following anything special in modern medicine. It is all what the government of India is saying to us. Whatever the government of India through the ICMR, through their council, AIIMS, when they give a protocol, modern medical doctors are following that. And calling us a stupid, it is the same way they are calling the central government. And that's the responsibility of the Honorable Prime Minister. We are appealing to him to put a full stop to these comments. And whoever is making this statement, which is making the people to get fear and making the people to not to take appropriate medication, shall be punished, should be punished. And that is the reason why we have now been seeking the kind intervention of Honorable Prime Minister at this stage.
Dr. Jailal, one more question to you, sir. Your letter specifically calls for sedition charges to be applied. Can you tell us why you've asked for sedition charges to be applied on Baba Ramdev? This takes things to the very next level, sir.
So, then the government of India is saying this is a protocol to be followed and this is the medicine to be followed. They said one day plasma therapy to be followed or not to follow. And we as a modern medical people are obeying the commands of the government of India and following the medicine. And somebody is calling us, this is a stupid medicine, you are not following the right thing. I think that is a statement against the government of India.
What are you expecting the Prime Minister to do at this time, sir? You've written this 2-page letter to the Prime Minister. What are your expectations from the Prime Minister?
Having a great respect and great honor for our Honorable Prime Minister. At this point, he should call and say that this is not time for us to discuss all these things, and whoever is making unnecessary comments should be punished and should be allow the people, any system, whether it is Ayurveda or modern medicine people, to work very diligently in the war front so that we will be able to save our country and take the mass vaccination to the logical end so that we will be safeguard our country and get above the corona pandemic.
Dr. Jailal, thank you for speaking to India Today. So that is a very angry Indian Medical Association speaking first, as always, to India Today to tell us why they've written this extremely angry letter to the Prime Minister saying, please step in and stop this defamation of allopathic and modern medicine from Yoga Guru Ramdev, who has continued to assault it in many ways. In a moment, I'll play out for you what Baba Ramdev said on India Today's sister channel Aaj Tak just a couple of days ago when he went face to face with members of the Indian Medical Association. But clearly, 2 days later, things have not settled down or calmed down. In fact, they have gone to the next level with the Indian Medical Association picking up new weapons, sending out a letter to the Prime Minister and saying, please step in. We need to try Yoga Guru Ramdev for sedition. Sneha continues.
Chloroquine फेल हुई, फिर रेमडेसिविर फेल हो गई, फिर एंटीबायोटिक्स इनके फेल हो गए, फिर स्टेरॉइड इनके फेल हो गए, प्लाज्मा थेरापी के ऊपर भी कल बैन लग गया, और इवरमाक्टिन भी फेल हो गया, और जो है अभी एक बुखार के लिए क्या दे रहे हैं वो फेवी फ्लू, वो भी फेल है। जितने भी दवाएं दे रहे हैं, फिर लोग कह रहे हैं तमाशा हो क्या रहा है। लाखों लोगों की मौत एलोपैथी की दवा खाने से हुई है। जितने लोगों की मौत हॉस्पिटल न जाने के कारण से हुई है, ऑक्सीजन न मिलने के कारण से हुई है, उससे ज्यादा लोगों की मौत ऑक्सीजन के बावजूद हुई है, दवा एलोपैथी की दवा मिलने के बावजूद हुई है, स्टीरॉइड की वजह से हुई है। लाखों लोगों की मौत का कारण एलोपैथी है। मैं कहता हूं एलोपैथी साइंस पूरी खराब नहीं है, मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस का हम स्वागत करते हैं, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का विरोध नहीं है। मरते ऐसे, अरे भगवान ने मुफ्त में ऑक्सीजन दे रखी है, ले ऑक्सीजन की कमी पड़ रही है, भगवान ने सारा ब्रह्मांड भर रखा है ऑक्सीजन से, ले तो ले बावड़े, बाहर सिलेंडर ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो अपने भीतर 2 सिलेंडर लगा रखे, ये सिलेंडर है, भर सिलेंडर कम पड़ गए।
Sneha Mordani back with us. Sneha, you interact with doctors from all across the country on a daily basis as a health reporter. You've been tracking every aspect of this face-off between the IMA and Baba Ramdev. How angry are doctors? You know, it's one thing to see this letter that's been written to the Prime Minister, but you've interacted with doctors who otherwise don't really have much of a voice beyond the people we see in the IMA. How angry are they?
Yes, they are extremely. And you know, Shiv, the discussions right now have gone beyond what is more effective, whether allopathic system of medicine is helping or whether it's useless or whether Ayurvedic system of medicine is working. The discussion is now centered around how those who've died because of COVID-19 on the line of duty are being mocked by Ramdev. And I think that's where the anger really is stemming from right now, because ever since the launch of, this entire coronal kit that Ramdev did sometime early last year, allopathic doctors came out and said that be cautious, be careful. To say that this cures COVID is extremely wrong. And that's when Ramdev was forced to come out and say that this in fact is an immunity booster. It can help boost immunity, if not cure the infection. He was forced to do so. And I think the anger really is stemming from there as far as Ramdev is also concerned. But to take this to another level, saying that these are medicines that do not work, these are medicines that are not cures, and we've been saying that the government says the same, that these are medicines to manage the infection. So to dismiss all allopathic medicines like Ramdev has done in that clip that we just put out, sends out a wrong message, and also the manner in which through his statements he's been fueling a vaccine hesitancy.
Okay.
Also the statement about external oxygen that is required by many patients.
Okay.
I think that is also in a way very misleading.
Let's show our viewers,
Yes.
let's show our viewers some of this anger. You know, there are doctors who are protesting outside AIIMS as well. Here are some of those voices from those doctors now.
बाबा रामदेव जो हैं वो निरंतर डॉक्टर्स के प्रति, स्पेसिफिकली अगर देखा जाए तो एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर्स के प्रति हर 4 दिन में एक बार एक बयान दे रहे हैं। इसमें अभी जो उन्होंने एक बयान दिया है जिसमें ये कहा है कि जो 1200 डॉक्टर्स जो अभी देश में जो शहीद हो गए हैं, एक्चुअली उन्होंने कहा कि वो मर गए हैं, वो खुद को नहीं बचा पाए, वो देश की जनता को क्या बचाएंगे। ये बहुत ही एक इनसेंसिटिव सा एक बयान है उनका, जो कि हमारे देश के डॉक्टर्स जो इस समय कोविड ड्यूटीज़ कर रहे हैं वार्ड में, आईसीयू में, उनका एक तरीके से अपमान है। अगर देखा जाए लास्ट ईयर की बात की जाए, जब पहली वेव थी तब लोगों ने डॉक्टर्स के लिए तालियां बजाई, उनके लिए एक तरीके से फूल बरसाए। इस समय सेकंड वेव में निरंतर जिस तरीके से बाबा रामदेव जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स का अपमान कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही गलत है।
So this is a huge escalation. The fallout will be immediately felt. All eyes will now be on whether a message is sent out from the highest levels of the government to Ramdev. Remember, Baba Ramdev is an influential personality. So this is going to be a delicate issue for the government as well. But the Indian Medical Association can't be brushed aside. It's a prestigious umbrella body of Indian doctors that has raised the red flag on India's most prominent yoga guru and Ayurvedic business person. And therefore, this is a story that will definitely resonate and have an impact. We'll keep you posted on every aspect of it.